Welcome to Dynamics Ignite from Technology Management. In this video, we are going to look at the look and feel of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013. I have opened up Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 and I'm currently logged on as a sales order processor. As a sales order processor, at my role center I can see all the key information that I am required to do my job. For example, I can see that I've got 5 open sales quotes. If I click on that, it will take me to the open sales quotes so that I can review them. Going back to my role center, I can also see that I've got 37 open sales orders. I can create a new sales quote or new sales order in one click. I can see my key customers that I like to review and keep an eye on, and also for those customers I can actually see the sales and profit and drill down into that if required. I can also look at key items that I sell to my customers so I can keep an eye on the inventory. The bottom here I can see I've got a notification. This is from the warehouse telling me that one of the items I've sold to my customer has been returned damaged. I can also see my inbox. It may be that I received my sales orders in by email, and so if I get a new email I can just click here straight to my inbox and open that up. Here at the top of the screen I have the ribbon. Just like in Office, this links to key areas within NAV. For example, in the report section I can see the top 10 customer report, which gives me a list of my top 10 customers and also a chart. On the left hand side of my screen I have the navigation pane. From here I can link to other key areas within NAV. For example, my customers list. Within my customer list I can search for information. For example, I know that I have a customer with the name Canon, and it has found it. I can also filter the list. For example, here I have a salesperson whose initials are PS. I can actually filter to this value, and if I want to use this filter often I can actually save it as a view. So I can call this view Customers PS. It will then refresh my screen, and when I open it up now I can see that I've got customers but also Customers PS. As well as viewing the information as a list, I can also view it as a chart. This is a 3G chart showing my salespersons by the different regions. If I go back to my list, I can export this to Microsoft Excel. The customer list will be exported to Microsoft Excel in a table format, so I can actually automatically sort and filter the data. It will also create a new tab within Microsoft Excel called Dynamics NAV, so that I can refresh this data. Rather than having to download it every time, I can save this spreadsheet and next week open it up and just refresh the data. I'm now going to quickly create a sales order. I hit enter to create the next order number and type in my customer's number. When I hit enter now I have quick entry, which will now take me straight to the external document number, which is my customer's PO number. When I hit enter it takes me down to the line. I can either type in the information for the order, but my salesperson has actually sent me an Excel spreadsheet with those item details. So I can copy that line and I can then paste that into my sales order. You're also able to copy from Excel into other areas of NAV, for example journals and worksheets. We have now had a look and feel of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013. We have seen how it can be tailored to the user's role. We looked at the sales order processor role. It is intuitive to use. It's the same as using other Microsoft Office products. And it also integrates with Microsoft Office. For example, we saw how you can copy and paste from Excel.